Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to discuss Copilot in Power Platform, a comprehensive overview. Let's start with Power Automate. Power Automate, Copilot in Cloud Flows. It can help us to create cloud flows. It can also help to modify cloud flows. We can ask it questions about flows. The Copilot is available at front page of the Power Automate Maker portal. Just describe it what you want to build. Copilot will suggest flows for you. We can review the suggested flows and we may accept or we can ask for different suggestion. By using the Copilot, we can make changes in flows. Also, we can ask Copilot questions about flows. We can even ask it to make a document on our flows. Copilot in Desktop Flows. Copilot in Desktop Flows is your AI assistant, and we can ask anything. For example, you can even ask it to write PowerShell or VB script for you. We can also use Copilot to analyze desktop flow activity inside your environment, which can make it easier to consume the data. Example prompts that you can ask Copilot to show the most frequent errors during the last week. Or you can also ask it to show the top failed flows by number of runs together. You can also ask it which machines had most run failures yesterday, which is useful, especially if you run flows on many unattended machines. You can also ask it more generic questions. Next, we have the Copilot in Power Apps. Using Copilot in Power Apps. Features in Canvas apps. You can create Canvas app and Dataverse table. It helps you in customize your app. We can also add Copilot to your Canvas app. Describe your app to Copilot, it will help you to create it automatically. It will also help to create Dataverse table to your app. Copilot works with apps use Dataverse as a data source. By using the Copilot, you can customize your apps. Copilot will help you to add components to your apps, like buttons, galleries, screens, etc. By using the Copilot, we can create formulas for sorting, filtering, conditional formatting. Add a Copilot inside your application. Link it to the same data source. Users now can explore the data using the custom Copilot for your app. Copilot in Microsoft Power BI. By the help of the Copilot, we can do following operations. Create report pages. Creating narratives visuals. Summarizing a report pages. Enhancing question and answers. Create measure descriptions. Write DAX expressions. Requirements for Copilot Power BI. Copilot in Microsoft Fabric is not support on SKUs. Only paid SKUs, F64 or higher P1 or higher, are supported. It is also based on regions. Your administrator is need to enable Copilot in Power BI or Microsoft Fabric and configure certain settings. Your admin is the first person to contact to get the access to the Copilot in Power BI. Creating reports pages. Copilot can suggest content according to your reports based on your data. Microsoft has published best practice for your data model to work with Copilot. General is best for practices that are good whether you use Copilot or not. Create a narrative with Copilot for Power BI. We can able to create narratives to summarize to entire report, specific report pages, specific visuals you select. You can also adjust the tone and formatting. Summarize a report pages. Use Copilot to quickly get keys insights from your report. Summarize it. Ask any questions. Give me a summary of my revenue over the last fiscal year. You only need to view permissions to the report to use the Copilot pane. Enhance Q&A with Copilot in Power BI. Q&A visual is available for any Power BI reports. It can produce the low-quality answers if users do not use the good terms. Copilot in Power BI adds synonyms for data in your model. Suggests automatically generated synonyms. Greater chance at a good Q&A experience for your users. Using Copilot to write DAX queries in Power BI. In this module, we explore how Copilot in Power BI can simplify the complex task of writing and understanding DAX data analysis expressions. What is DAX? DAX is a powerful formula language used in Power BI, Power Pivot for Excel, SQL Server Analysis Services. It enables users to create custom calculations, perform aggregations and time-based analysis, build complex expressions for interactive dashboards. Traditionally, DAX has been the domain of data professionals and BI experts due to its complexity. How Copilot helps. Copilot brings AI-powered assistance to everyone. Ask natural questions like, what is the total revenue for Q1? And get the DAX formula. Convert business logic in plain English to structured DAX expressions. Paste a DAX query and ask Copilot to explain it in simple terms. Eliminate trial and error by getting relevant, correct suggestions instantly, making analytics more inclusive and reducing dependency on advanced training. Copilot in Microsoft Power Pages. Now, let's dive into how Copilot enhances the experience of building websites in Microsoft Power Pages. Getting started with Copilot in Power Pages. Copilot supports users in creating and managing websites by leveraging natural language input. Core features. Create AI-generated sites and web pages with simple instructions. Design interactive forms, including multi-step user journeys. Add AI-generated textual content, example, introductions, descriptions. You simply describe your needs in everyday language, and Copilot helps by suggesting site names, recommending a URL structure, offering layout templates based on your intent. Copilot acts as your creative and technical partner. You're always in control and can customize the output as needed. Advanced features of Copilot in Power Pages. AI-powered chatbot integration. Easily add a chatbot to your website. The chatbot is context-aware. It pulls answers based on your site content. You can extend its knowledge by connecting to specific data tables and fields. Improves user engagement and self-service on your site. Code assistance in Visual Studio Code. For makers who need custom styling or scripts, Copilot offers help directly within Visual Studio Code. Write or suggest HTML structures. Style elements using CSS. Create interactivity using JavaScript. Even if you're not a developer, Copilot bridges the gap by generating, completing, and explaining code to bring your vision to life. And thanks a lot for watching. I appreciate your time and attention. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more updates. Start your journey today with www.crmonce.com.